Please come.
Thank you, sir.
Extremely sorry to keep you waiting
It's
outside.
okay, sir. Not a problem. Sir, my name is Mariam Haider, and I'm coming from 3M company. It's
Thank you, Mario.
Thank you so much. It's one of the leading diversified solutions provider in India and abroad as well.
Okay.
We have our company established its wings are in various sectors,
Okay.
such as in health sector and transportation, etc. And standing outside, I was just seeing in your office you have this post-its that you have taken over here.
Okay.
It's basically, if you know, do you know it's also a 3M product? You might have received it from one of our distributors, but
Yes,
it is
we,
a 3M
we,
product.
we know this is a 3M product.
Yes.
As such, this is not a 3M product. 3M came with this innovation,
Yes,
and now
yes.
the same idea has been replicated. It's the
Yes,
different
sir.
vendor which provide the same.
Okay, fine. We have a different distributors also.
Yes, yes, yes.
So if you don't mind, can I ask certain questions about
Why
the
not? Why not? Why
organization?
not? Please.
Can I take down?
Yes, why not?
So as I know that your company is dealing with the gaming software,
Yes.
so can you just tell me how globalized is your company? Where all do you have your branches? In?
Okay. We are an Indian company with 3 offices in India only.
Okay.
One in Mumbai, where we are sitting right now. It's a head office.
Okay.
And we have two support function, two support offices, one in Delhi and one in Bangalore.
Okay. So basically, you have 3 offices in India.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Mumbai is being the head office, mostly sales part being taken care by Mumbai office only. And development and support function from Delhi and Bangalore office.
Okay. And in abroad, do you have your?
We do not have any
branches?
offices there.
Okay. Are
As
you
of
planning to expand since the world
yes,
is
why not,
globalized?
why not, why not? But as of now, most of the businesses,
Okay.
or most of the clients are mixed from Indian operation.
Okay, sir.
Though over 80% of the business is coming from US and UK.
So you have your clients in UK and US.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, sir. So being it a gaming software company, you might be. Do you develop gaming softwares within your organization? You have a second party developing it for you.
No, as of now, the entire development is taken care
It's
by
within the
within the
organization.
organization. We do not outsource to it as of now.
Okay, so you have a separate development department for it.
Yes, we have a development team.
Okay, so how many members are there? How many staff is there in your
In
development team?
total, as a company goes, we are around 350 staff company.
Okay,
Out of those 350 staff, roughly around 130 are in our development team.
130 staff.
Yes.
So would it be easy for you to like communicate with them on frequent basis?
No, when you talk about this entire 350 people, are you talk about project planning. Okay,
Right.
every client have a different project, and for that particular project, we have a different project team which work.
Okay.
Okay.
So how frequently do you communicate
This
with
project
them?
team comprises of 20 people.
Okay, each project team comprises of 20 people. Okay, sir.
Comprises of definitely a project manager assisted by a team lead,
Okay.
and then we have this.
So you might be having your communication basically with the project manager, if I'm not
These
wrong.
people communicate to project manager, and we have business analyst team, and yes, senior people like me also like to interact
Okay.
oftenly with them.
So do you conduct weekly or like monthly meetings with them?
Definitely, we have a weekly meeting to check it on the
It's
progress.
weekly.
Yes, yes, weekly basis.
Okay, so
Every
so what's
Friday we
the criteria of your meeting room like? How big is it?
It's like the same that we are sitting here
And
right
you can
now.
accommodate like say 20 people in it or
No,
something?
just 20 people will be at different location.
Okay, so
Few
in a
people will
meeting
be at
room.
Mumbai, few people will be at Delhi, and few people will be at Bangalore.
Okay,
But
so
sometimes it so happen that all 20 people might be from the same location
yeah,
for
yeah.
that particular project. That can
Right.
be the possibilities.
So how is it? Would it be difficult for you
Then what we
sometimes?
do, the key people who are responsible for key
Okay.
functioning, they will be there in AudioCon, and the same people will be forwarding, disseminating
So
the
what's the
information.
total number of people that would be available?
20 people, I told you,
20
around 20
people.
people which are responsible for the project. But when you
Okay.
talk about AudioCon, hardly 3, 4, or 5, not more than that.
Okay, in
At
audio
one
call.
location.
So that's the audio call is your mode of communication.
Yes, AudioCon and email exchange through Outlook.
So only that's it. You don't have a video conferencing
As of
facility.
now, no, but keeping consideration today's
Yeah, as you
scenario
said.
outside.
Because your business is also a business to B2B business. It's
Yes,
not a
and when you
direct.
talk about the software business, the branding,
Yeah,
getting a
it's,
faith from the client
yeah,
is the
your
most
gaming is
important
the
thing.
main asset of your
Not only
organization.
the software business, how it works is definitely the intellectual capabilities that we have, the infrastructure that we have, and definitely the faith that we can build on.
Yeah, so you might be
We
having a good
definitely
rapport with
want to
your.
upgrade the system and the technology. One or two
Okay,
percent.
so technology is advancing nowadays a lot actually.
Yes, 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 right.
So how is your rapport with your clients in abroad as well? If I'm not.
Yes, we are good because most of the interaction happens personally with the personal visit also sometimes. Because when you talk about the sales call, at least 3 to 4 sales call which are required in a month
So
of
what's
6
the
months.
procedure that it takes to build a new client, to get a new client?
We definitely have our clientele base as of
You
now,
have a
and the same
database.
clientele base gives us
Okay.
reference at the same time. We have a business analyst team which
Okay.
goes on way to find out which are the companies where we can target.
Okay, so there are two ways where you can find your
Yes, the
client.
first one is the reference, and the second one is definitely the business analysting that we have.
Okay,
The
so how frequently do you travel to your client?
I told you around 3 to 4 visits which is required to
In a
close
month?
anything in a 6 months time, 6 months to
6 months
1 year
time, so it
time.
must be costing you for stay and
Yes, because
everything.
in sales specifically the people who are involved are senior people,
Mhm.
and the costing which is there
And
was
has it ever happened that so it is important for you to be in Mumbai and there is something important, but your customer is the most important part
it is
of
finally
your
business which
business?
is more important.
Yeah, so you had to visit there.
Yes, because
Unfortunately, you had to leave something that could you wasted, and it happens that the man hours
what will
gets
be more important than the business?
that is there, but something could be like, well, how would it be like? Would it be nice if you can give time to both the client as well
Why
as
not? Why not?
internal?
Why not? Why not? Why not?
It
Like,
would
and
be.
the most importantly, when we talk about 3 to 4 visits, we want to cut down the visiting cost. If in case the same thing can be done in a single visit, and possibly the same discussion can carry
Yeah,
forward with the
everything
video
can be
conference
timed
facility.
and
Yes,
can be cost benefit also.
video conference facility can be incorporated to reduce the costing of visits, and possibly
Right.
we are looking forward to, depending on the initial cost which will be required to bear this
So
technology.
just a general question, like how many presentations, like has it ever happened to you, like if you attend a presentation and somebody is presenting it and you just get diverted from the presentation ever? Like how
It
long
doesn't. It
when?
doesn't happen normally because when you talk about the gaming software, it's more into interaction. It's more
Okay.
into interaction of the ideas,
So in
concept,
your meeting
images.
room, basically you have a projector and a screen or something.
Yes, a projector and a screen.
Normal projector and screen.
Yes,
So if a
yes.
person is giving a
Normally,
presentation,
our communication or conversation is like we say a presentation by email. The same presentation will be there in front of every project manager
okay.
along with the audio conference facility, and then we interact.
Okay, so
Going to
basically
the
first time when
presentation.
you launch this software, you have a meeting room, you have a projector, and you have somebody displaying this gaming software for you.
I believe that the same game or the same whatever progress that we made on that particular project, the same progress can be circulated by email.
Okay, and how do
Okay,
you
then
interact
respective
then
project
personally?
manager,
I mean, how do you
and then
interact on that?
respective project manager open that particular presentation,
Okay.
and then team interact.
So there's no one-to-one personal touch with that because email is anyway it's not, it won't give the personal
Yes.
touch.
But mostly when we talk about some changes, what every team member or any team member want to suggest, okay, he
Yes,
just
sir.
had to put forward the points, but he cannot make the changes, and that changes can be visible to every team.
It cannot be
Firstly,
modified
yes,
at a
yes, yes,
particular
yes,
level.
yes.
Yeah?
It
Okay,
cannot be
sir.
shared
And
also.
it's like at the time a presentation is given, you must be noticing a shadow that falls off a person who's presenting the, I mean the whatever
How
software.
many days is a
So
presentation?
it happens the shadow falls and people follows the shadow. Actually, it has happened many of time, and that's why we have a result. Got a
Yes,
result of
sometimes
closing
it
something.
happens.
It happens, yeah, and it diverts the attention of a person.
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, sir. So basically, seeing your problem, like I think you can, you visit your clients in UK and US, you sold 6 months or something, and as well you have your cost expensive. It's too much cost expensive for you. You have 130 staff in a particular 350 staff in total in a complete development department, headed by the project manager, and you get your clients reference, and clients is a very important thing for a business. And basically for the projecting thing or video conferencing, everything we have a very good solution for you.
Yes, we are looking forward to.
Yeah, sir. I heard that actually you're needing a product for your headquarters. So this is a brochure of a product. It's called TM Digital Display Wall Display. It's basically it's you must be seeing the LCD plasma TV.
Yes.
It's but it's nothing like that. It's like 30-inch two TVs put together. It's totally the diagonal of it. This product is 60
Just in
inch.
a LCD or just on the screen?
No, it's a screen. It's a 60-inch diagonal screen.
Okay.
Yeah, it has a built-in, and here if you see, it has a built-in projector as well, so that when the person whoever is presenting, he's avoided. I mean, there's no distraction of the light when the person is giving the presentation, as the light falls from back. Also, it has a built-in 400 watts speakers. As well, it has a whiteboard and electronic pen. That's the major asset of it. Because normally in a presentation, if we see there's a projecting screen and a whiteboard separately, and a person has to move from side to side to just write on the board and again project something. So here it's
on
actually
LCD possibly
yeah,
we
or
cannot
LCD.
write anything.
Yeah, so here it's actually everything is remote control based. You have an electronic pen where you can highlight, you can make the consumers, whoever the persons who are sitting in the meeting, can make them understand the graph, etc. Everything.
Great, that good. We are looking forward to this kind of solution. Like with this possible product equipment,
Nice.
my video conference that will be
This is
better.
just a brief on a product, sir. If you want further details on the product, I can give you a demo on the product as
Why
well.
not? Why not? Let it be along with me, okay, so that I
Sure,
can ask
sir.
my technical team to go through it. Even me the financial code, and
Sure,
we'll
sir.
meet next week possibly.
Thank you so
Fine,
much,
my
sir.
office.
Yeah, nice
Pleasure
meeting you.
Same here.
Thank you
Same
so
here.
much.
Bye.